Hello, everyone. If you would like to be able to call or text parents or set up a Remind 101 service or something to get in contact with students during this pandemic, go to Google Voice. Now, I already have a Google Voice account set up, but if you go in here, you can press, get a number. This will come up. These are some local areas you can choose a number from. Just click on one, it doesn't really matter. Take a number, and boom, now I'm claiming this number, it's mine. You'll need to verify it. So I just enter my real phone number. Have it send me a code. Once I get the code on my phone, I enter that. And now I own this phone number. So once I get in here, you can do this from the web, or you can do it from the app if you just download the Google Voice app on your phone. You can make phone calls, you can send text messages. So it's an easy way to contact parents and students during this time when we're not at school and don't get to see them. So good luck. Just let me know if you have any questions and I can help you get set up.